10 people develop cancer during their lifetimes. If we are to develop new treatments for cancer, researchers need to examine the abnormal genes and proteins in cancer tissue. Biobank Ireland was set up in 2004 with the aim of developing a cancer biobank network throughout Ireland to be used for collecting, storing and sharing samples for research donated by patients. The tissue can be stored in biobanks, either frozen or in big archives in pathology departments. It does need patient consent and ethical consents for its use. The importance of an Irish cancer biobank is because this would maximise resources in the hospitals which have individual biobanks at present, but in a network would share samples leading to much larger meaningful studies. We have consulted with Science Foundation Ireland about the costs of a network, which would be about 7.5 million over 5 years. Government funding alone is not what is required here, but the input of industry and other sectors. A biobank network that functions successfully in Ireland will have benefits for patients, the public, hospitals, universities, pharma industry and the economy.
Currently we are biobanking breast and colon samples, and we have quite a large collection at this point in time. So that includes frozen material and formalin fixed paraffin embedded material. To increase visibility for researchers, we are developing a web portal in partnership with Separate Tech Box. This will allow researchers to identify samples of interest to their research. We will only release samples for scientifically and ethically approved projects. This is a fantastic project and will significantly accelerate the translation of basic research into pharmaceutical therapeutics, and which will ultimately benefit patients.